Thank you so much. I hope everyone enjoyed their lunch break. I'm going to set the stage for the rest of the day and go over the breakouts and some logistical information that you're going to need to know which room to go into. First, we're going to talk about the purpose of the breakout rooms. The overarching theme of the afternoon sessions is how to support children's mathematical thinking using the cognitively guided instruction approach that we have been introduced to in the morning from Dr. Macy Golson and Dr. Angela Chan-Turow. So the purpose of this session will be for you to experience a lesson that uses the CGI approach in implementing a math lesson, a math task. So what we're going to do is we're all going to have a common learning experience facilitated by different people in a smaller group setting. And the reason we want you to experience this approach is because we know that many of us have deep-rooted conceptions of teaching and learning. We have some implicit assumptions of what learners look like or what the role of a teacher is. And in order to align our vision of early math teaching and learning, we're going to take an opportunity to experience a simulation that will put you in the role of a learner and see how it feels when a lesson is implemented using the research that supports our essentials. And so, as I said, we're going to do that by experiencing a lesson simulation. And then we're going to do some unpacking and see how that lesson that you experience connects to our values and our essentials and to the CGI research that we got introduced to in the morning. Also, we know that you all wear leader hats. And so we're going to take some time in the afternoon to think about what does supporting educators look like? What might educators need to know, do, and become in order to use the CGI approach to bring the essentials to life? And so our focus really will be on supporting children's thinking, or as Dr. Macy Golson said earlier, following student thinking. Like how do we do that and move that thinking forward? So that's going to be the purpose in the afternoon. So before you head out, a few things to note. We will have a break at 2:30. There will be snacks in the Crown Foyer where the coffee was served earlier. So please come down and grab some cookies. And then we will conclude at 3:30. So our day one will conclude at 3:30. So you're going to head out after the breakout session, and we will resume again tomorrow morning at 8:30. So you need to take all of your materials with you when you go to your assigned room. So all of the handouts, the essentials, we will be utilizing those materials in the breakout sessions. Day two will begin, like I said, at 8:30 with breakfast starting at 7:45. We'll be here in the ambassador room. We're so excited to welcome literacy leaders from RISA and ISD. They will be joining our tables. So many of you will have colleagues from your ISD and RISA that support literacy, that wear the literacy hat, that will be joining our table. Our purpose tomorrow is to talk about connections and intersections between literacy and mathematics. Now I'm going to go over the logistical pieces. So we have 4 different spaces where the learning is going to occur. And I want to give a shout out and let's give a hand to all of the facilitators that you see on the screen that will be supporting us. We will all be engaging in a common learning experiences, but each facilitator will add their own twist and flavor to the session. So in your baggies today, in the early math bags, you received a pin or a button, and that button designates which room you will be participating in. So if you have the gray button, you're going to be in the ambassador room, so you're going to stay here. We do ask that you move forward and sit in the front tables. If you have a pink button with our quote on it, you're going to go to the emerald room. The Emerald room is on this side to my right. So if you keep going down that way, you'll see signs, and it's very easy to get to. I'll go next to the Imperial room. The Imperial room is with the I Love Early Math button. That's going to be on my left side. There's an entryway, so keep walking down that way, and there's an entryway. And then you'll see Imperial room upstairs, same level, but we're going to be downstairs. So you're going to follow the stairs down, and you'll be at the Imperial room. And we will have people assisting us with direction. And the Grand View room is with the pink button that says Early Math. For that room, Nick is over there, and he's going to assist us. You're going to go towards the registration table, and it's to the left of the registration table. There's an entryway. You're going to go down a few steps, and then you're going to go upstairs, and then there will be signs for Grand View. So I'll repeat those directions again. And Nick is there. He'll guide us. But to the left of the registration, you're going to go down a few steps and then go upstairs. And then you'll see signs to the Grand View room. We will begin at 1 o'clock. So we have plenty of time to clean up our tables, to gather our materials, to use the restroom if we need to find our room. There's tons of volunteers here helping us. And if you have any questions, please tap one of us. Thank you. And we will see you on tomorrow morning at 8:30 here.